Hi, I'm Sandy Steinman, President of Background Checks Express, your one-stop source for accurate, accessible, and affordable background checking. If you're watching this, most likely you're a business owner or you're an HR manager. And if you've been watching this series of videos at all, you know it's a given that employers should background check their applicants before they hire them. Just take a look at the plethora of negligent hiring lawsuits that employers lose 79% of the time at an average cost of over $1 million. If you have any question about the need to background check, you'll find that the common thread shared by those employers who lose those lawsuits is that they did not background check the employee that caused the lawsuit. But yet some employers think they're better off financially if they perform that background checking job themselves rather than hiring a consumer reporting agency like Background Checks Express to do the background checking. It's wrong. Let me give you 4 reasons that employers should outsource those professional background checking services. First, it has to be a better use of time and energy of your HR department to outsource those services. I have not met one HR director who had a whole lot of spare time in which to perform background checking in a really professional manner. Second, even if they did have the time, what are the chances that those HR managers or their staff would have the necessary expertise to perform that background checking in-house? How in the world will they ever be able to stay abreast of the ever-changing state and federal laws that regulate background checking? Third, I promise you it is much more cost-effective for companies to outsource their background checking. The typical report from a professional background checking firm costs less than 1 day's wages for the new employee. That's a pretty cheap investment. And finally, there's legal advantages to hiring a competent background checking firm. Both employers and applicants enjoy protection under the Fair Credit Reporting Act when you outsource those services, and believe me, that means a lot. If you're an employer, I hope you'll follow this series of videos, because what you learn here could well keep you out of court or keep you from hiring the wrong person, and that's certainly our mission. If you want to learn more about background checking or want to find out how we can help keep you out of court and out of trouble, just feel free to call me at 844-SCREEN-NOW, that's 844-727-3366, or email me at sandy@backgroundchecksexpress.com. In the meanwhile, please be safe, hire safe, and I'll see you in the next video.